114, this is Chinese 164. You are crossing my bow falsely. It's interfering my safety.
Mga ka-Pulse Point, dalawang US warships ang secretly pumasok sa Taiwan Strait. China panic mode na. Ito ang matindi. Ang maliit nating BRP Cabra hindi pinaporma ang dalawang Chinese vessels. At alam nyo ba ito? May 35 bilyong dolyar secret weapon ang Pilipinas na magpapanginig sa China. According to Navy Commander Matthew Comer, dalawang US warships ang pumasok sa Taiwan Strait. Ang USS Ralph Johnson, one of the Navy's forward-deployed destroyers based in Yokosuka, Japan, at ang survey ship USNS Bowditch. Pero wait, this happened right after a secret military exercise with Australia at UK. So bakit nagalit ang China ngayon? Kasi gusto nila kilalanin ng buong mundo na ang Taiwan ay part ng China. And the fact na ginagamit ang freedom of navigation sa Taiwan ay nababalewala ang China. Nagpadala sila ng naval ships at air force para mag-monitor, pero dinedma lang sila ng mga barko ng Amerika. Alam nyo ang tawag dyan, karma. Binabalahura ng Amerika ang batas nila, pero wala silang magawa. Tingin nyo ba karma ito sa China? Kung tingin nyo karma ito, smash that like button and make sure to subscribe for more. Meanwhile, sa Zambales, ang maliit at matapang nating Philippine Coast Guard vessel, the BRP Cabra, successfully prevented Chinese Coast Guard vessel 3304 at Lanhai 101 from entering our territory.
To Lanhai 101, this is Philippine Coast Guard vessel MRV 4409. You are advised that you are currently sailing within the Philippine Exclusive Economic Zone, approximately 25.72 nautical mile west of Sabangan Point, Pangasinan, Philippines. You are directed to depart immediately and notify us of your intentions. Your illegal activity will be reported to higher authorities. Over.
Imagine this. Ang mga Chinese vessel na to ay nagtatangkang lumapit sa coastline ng Zambales. Alam nyo ba guys, kung gaano kalaking difference ang size ng mga vessels na to? Parang David versus 2 Goliaths. Pero, here's the plot twist. Despite being smaller, nautakan pa rin ito ang dalawang Chinese vessels na mas malaki sa kanila. According to maritime experts, ang BRP Cabra used strategic positioning at international maritime laws to our advantage. Size doesn't matter, diba mga boys? But guys, here's the biggest plot twist. According to AFP Chief General Romeo Bronner Jr., we're getting submarines. Yes, you heard it right. At least 2 submarines. Pero bakit? Simple lang guys. We are an archipelago. Mahirap i-defend ang buong territory natin without submarines. Remember yung BrahMos missiles natin from India? Well, get ready because we're getting more this year. Bilangin nyo kung gaano karami mga Chinese vessels, ganun din karaming missiles. Mas maraming BrahMos, mas masaya. But wait, just last February 10, may secret phone call between General Bronner at US General C.Q. Brown. They discussed 3 major things: military modernization, enhanced defense cooperation agreement, at ang biggest balikatan exercise in history. Yes, guys! Ang Balikatan 2025 will include air, land, sea, at cyber operations with multiple allied nations. What do you think, guys? Is the Philippines finally ready to stand up against China? Comment down below. Remember guys, kapag united ang mga bansa, walang imposible.